What is Github and Git? Let's dive into the world of Github and Git. They're essential tools for programmers. But what exactly are they? GitHub is a web-based hosting service for software development. Think of it as Facebook for programmers. It's a place where everyone can share their code, make suggestions, or changes. It's a hub for collaboration, making it easy to offer suggested changes to others' code. Now, let's talk about Git. Git is a distributed version control system and source code management system. It's designed to handle projects of all sizes with speed and efficiency. In Git, a repository contains a directory named .git, where Git keeps all of its metadata for the repository. It's like the brain of your project. Comparing Git to SVN, another version control system, there are some differences. Git is less preferred for handling extremely large or frequently changing binary files. SVN, on the other hand, can handle multiple projects stored in the same repository. There are many advantages to using Git. It offers data redundancy and replication, high availability, and it's collaboration-friendly. Plus, any sort of project can use Git. There are several key functions in Git. Git clone is used to create a copy of an existing Git repository. Git config is used to set configuration options for your Git installation. And with the git init command, you can create a new repository. In Git, a head is a reference to a commit object. In every repository, there's a default head referred to as master. But a repository can contain any number of heads. A conflict in Git arises when the commit that has to be merged has some change in one place, and the current commit also has a change at the same place. To resolve this, you edit the files to fix the conflicting changes, then add the resolved files by running git add, and finally commit the repaired merge with git commit. There are many other useful Git commands. Git status shows the difference between the working directory and the index. Git rm removes the file from the staging area and also off your disk. Git add adds file changes in your existing directory to your index. Git fetch fetches all the objects from the remote repository that are not present in the local one. Git pull fetches the files from the remote repository and merges it with your local one. Git push pushes all the modified local objects to the remote repository and advances its branches. In conclusion, GitHub and Git are powerful tools for programmers. They facilitate collaboration, version control, and efficient project management. So, if you're a programmer, it's time to get familiar with GitHub and Git.